Hey everyone, hope you're doing well and happy Woman Wednesday. We're going live a little bit earlier than usual today. But today we're going to be talking about love languages and acts of love in the spirit of yesterday being Valentine's Day. Before we get started, if you are in need of accessing HIV or STI testing, please contact Whitman-Walker Health at 202-797-4439 to schedule an HIV or STI testing appointment. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Whitman-Walker's Community Health Department has expanded its outreach efforts to the social media platform. We cover various topics about HIV, STIs, and sexual health practices, to access to care, social determinants of health, and public health interventions. The community health team is here to educate and support you. Happy Valentine's Day, Miss Truly, Miss GGFP. We appreciate you being here. My name is Jewel, and I use she, hers pronouns, and today, again, we're going to be discussing love as a verb and love languages. So again, with yesterday being Valentine's Day, a day dedicated to love with an overly heavy emphasis on romantic love, so today we're going to spend the day talking about love as a verb and the ways that we can practice it through action, whether it's with a romantic partner or a loved family member or a friend. So let's start today's live with a working definition, but specifically an excerpt from Bell Hooks' book All About Love. Bell Hooks writes the following: Imagine how much easier it would be for us to learn how to love if we began with a shared definition. The word love is most often defined as a noun, yet all the more astute theorists of love acknowledge that we would all love better if we used it as a verb. I spent years searching for a meaningful definition of the word love and was deeply relieved when I found one in psychiatrist M. Scott Peck's classic self-help book, The Road Less Traveled, first published in 1978. Echoing the work of Erich Fromm, he defines love as the will to extend oneself for the purpose of nurturing one's own or another's spiritual growth. Explaining further, he continues, love is as love does. Love is an act of will, namely, both an intention and an action. Will also implies choice. We do not have to love. We choose to love. Since the choice must be made to nurture growth, this definition counters the more widely accepted assumption that we love instinctually. A few takeaways for me are that in addition to love being a verb, love is a choice. No one is forcing you to love, and you have to want to do it. And in wanting to, you'll often express your love through actions that demonstrate your investment in another person's personal growth and just individual development and success. Some of these acts of love can be categorized by action and are often called the love languages. There are 5 of them, and they are developed by Dr. Gary Chapman, PhD. So here's a little bit about the love languages. The first one is acts of service. And so you can show this person better than you can tell them, essentially. Actions will speak louder than words. This can look like washing the dishes for a person or getting something off their to-do list for them. It could also look like saying, hey, I scheduled HIV or STI testing appointments for us. So just being proactive with your actions. The next love language is receiving gifts. So folks love opening presents and getting surprises, so the act of giving a gift is one way to show your love. This can look like just because surprise gifts, like tickets to a concert or to a movie, and it can also look like getting your significant other a new sex toy. We also have quality time. So other folks appreciate their love's undivided attention. This can look like spending Monday nights watching a movie with your partner or taking that time to sit down and just enjoy each other's company. It can also look like saying, hey, and after our HIV/STI testing appointment, I made a reservation for us at your favorite restaurant just so that we can hang out together. The next love language is words of affirmation. So this love language is a practice of using words to affirm another person. This can look like telling your partner how proud you are of them for their latest accomplishment. It can also look like telling your partner how grateful you are for them for being a partner to you in your sexual health journey and committing to getting tested regularly, knowing that you're in an open relationship. And finally, the last love language is physical touch. So some folks appreciate appropriate touch and physical displays of affection. This could look like holding hands on a walk or giving a massage in private. It could also look like hugging your partner after you leave an HIV or STI testing appointment. All that said, please give Whitman-Walker a call again if you are in need of accessing HIV or STI testing. They have it available by appointment, and you can give them a call at 202-797-4439 to schedule your appointment or to schedule an appointment for you and your sex partners. Thank you for learning more about love as a verb and the love languages. Before we go, I want to give you a few reminders about COVID-19 and vaccines. If you've already been vaccinated, congratulations. You've taken a really important step toward preventing yourself and your loved ones from getting sick, as multiple variants have continued to soar across the world, and it's just understandable if you might keep wanting to wear your mask since the vaccine is not 100% effective and more contagious variants are spreading. And there are very few protocols in place to verify that folks around you have been vaccinated. So just all in all, keep staying alert. If you haven't been vaccinated and you're looking for an appointment, Whitman-Walker Health has COVID-19 vaccine available. You can give them a call at 202-207-2480 to schedule an appointment. And if you're having trouble making an appointment with them and you're a DC resident, you can visit vaccinate.dc.gov or call 1-855-363-0333. Maryland residents, sorry, a little bit allergy filled today. Maryland residents can visit covidlink.maryland.gov or call 1-855-634-6829. And Virginia residents can visit vaccinate.virginia.gov or call 1-877-829-4682. And if you haven't been vaccinated and you're not looking for an appointment, please continue to follow CDC guidelines for mask wearing, quarantining, social distancing, and the like. It's really important that you consider getting the vaccine and discuss COVID precautionary measures with those who are around you. And just be mindful of masks and keeping your distance, but especially when you don't know whether or not people around you have been vaccinated or not. Finally, we're also battling monkeypox. So according to the CDC, there have been more than 29,000 cases of monkeypox documented in the U.S. In D.C., you can pre-register for a monkeypox vaccine appointment at preventmonkeypox.dc.gov. Virginia has been working with local care providers to contact trace and identify those who are most in need of the monkeypox vaccine. You can also visit the Virginia Health Department website for more information. And the Maryland Health Department released a pre-registration system that you can register for a vaccine appointment on. And no matter where you are, please visit your state's local health department website for more information on how to register and get vaccinated against monkeypox. In DC, walk-up vaccinations are provided on a first-come, first-served basis to eligible residents, and hours vary each day and also by location. So again, you can see testing hours and locations at preventmonkeypox.dc.gov. Please remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Whitman-Walker, and check the website at www.whitman-walker.org for the most up-to-date information on their services. And for more COVID-19 resources and general Whitman-Walker services, please give them a call at 202-797-4439. You can also follow some of the programs and the Whitman-Walker family on Instagram at RealTalkDC_ and at NoFilterDC. Have a great rest of your Wednesday, and again, happy Women Wednesday. Bye.